In this video, I'm going to show you how to short Solana on Aster DEX. Now first, you need to go to Aster's official website and connect your wallet. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment that will take you to the official Aster DEX website, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. As I said, link down below. So to short Solana on the Aster DEX, once you've connected your wallet, and if you don't know how to do this, I have separate tutorials for all the different wallets on my channel, so go watch that first and then just deposit some Solana on here. So I'm just gonna select perpetual account, Solana, and then over here you can select whatever you want. So I'm gonna do Solana again. I can just select how much and click deposit, and it's going to be on my account within a minute. Okay, now after this, just go to the top left over here, of course be on the perpetuals tab, click on here and then select Solana, Sol USDT. And in here, you can then just go ahead and short it over here. So just select if you want to do either Solana or USDT. And then you can just select whatever you want to do. So the size you want to do, and then just go ahead and select here where it says sell/short. And this is how to actually short Solana on Aster DEX. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.